Welcome to qnawire.
53% of people have a college education. We're going to choose 10 people at random. So our value of n is 10, and our probability of success is 0.53. For this one, success meaning they have a college education. The first question says, what is the probability that exactly half of the people surveyed have a college education? So we are looking for the probability that x is equal to 5. Since there's 10 people surveyed, then half of that would be 5. So using the binomial distribution formula, we do 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial times 5 factorial times 0.53 to the 5th power times 0.47 to the 5th power. We got 0.47 by doing 1 minus 0.53, and that equals 0.47. This would be the probability that they don't have some sort of college education. So when we do 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial times 5 factorial, you get 252. Times 0.53 to the 5th power times 0.47 to the 5th power is equal to 0.242 or 24.2%. Remember, you can do this in the calculator by hitting second vars. You will look for binom PDF, because we're saying equals to 5. You would do 10.53 and 5. And you would get 0.242. What if the question says at least 5 do not get a college education? So we are looking for what is the probability that x is greater than or equal to 5. And this one we are looking for do not have some sort of college education. So therefore, you want to look at the other probability of 0.47, because 0.53 says they have some sort of college education. 0.47 says they have no college education. We're going to do 1 minus binom CDF. Our sample size is 10. Our probability for this one is 0.47, and we are looking for greater than or equal to 5, so we do less than or equal to 4. This probability will tell us less than or equal to 4, and we subtract that from 1 to get all the numbers that are greater than 4. When I do that, you still use the same function in the calculator, second vars. You'll see binom CDF, and you get 0.547 or 54.7%. You could do this by hand, but you're going to have to find the probability that x equals 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and add them all together, and you'll get the same answer. What is the probability that fewer than 5 have a college education? To do that, you're looking for the probability that x is less than 5. So I can do the probability of x equals 0 plus the probability of x equals 1 plus the probability of x equals 2 all the way up to the probability that x equals 4. I don't include 5 in this one because it just says fewer than 5 have a college education. If I could do all of that by hand using the binomial formula, or I can use the binom cumulative distribution function, and I would do 10.53 and 4, because I'm looking for the sum of all the probabilities from 0 to 4. When I do that in the calculator, I get 0.306, which is 30.6%.